What's up, everybody? It's your homie Reckless. So, first of all, I want to say, don't ever do this, ever. This is not safe. There's not a safe way of doing this. If you want to properly dispose of your batteries, put them in salt water, or if you have a discharge/destroy option on your charger, get rid of them that way. Don't explode your batteries. It is not safe, and no amount of safety equipment will save you. Just don't do it. What I was doing was very stupid. May 24 was having fun and exploding some old batteries, and one of them had a lot more boom than anyone there actually expected. Big shout out to Catchulator, Chronix FPV, Mikey FPV, and shout outs to Rover FPV. So yeah, shout outs to all those people that came out to fly, had a lot of fun, broke a lot of stuff. My goggle module actually almost got completely fucked, but I might do that in another video. I had to do a little bit of modification on my Dominator 3s, but they are working and I seem to be okay now. I found out that my patch was messed up too, and hopefully I didn't mess anything up like with that, so I'm going to try a different patch now. But anyways, let's get into this video. Like I was saying, don't ever do this. It is a bad idea. Yeah, be safe, guys. Don't do what I do. But anyways, watch the whole video. You'll probably have some laughs. And yeah, that one Lipo pretty much explodes right in my face. So yeah, you're probably not going to miss that. It's pretty epic. And then I just go right back into stabbing batteries again. So yeah, check it out. Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, check out the rest of my videos, everybody. It's your homie Reckless. Yeah, check it. People are always yelling at me. Hey, what up, everybody? It's Reckless FPV, and I'm trying to vlog in front of about a bunch of people. It's pretty embarrassing, but here we go. We're gonna light some Lipos on fire, and this is what's happening. Happy Friday, and happy May 24. There we go. A little bit of smoke.
It's hard. I like the one you have. The pipe is really nice. Ooh, look at you go.
Yeah.
Probably shouldn't be holding on to it while I stab it, but.
Yeah, really. I love it.
Oh, I'm good, babe.
You just saying you're good, or you just I feel like you're just saying you're good.
I love how you figured me out. Are you just saying you're good? Yeah.
It's like an ongoing theme with you.
Are you ready to explode this and catch it on fire?
I've been stabbing them all. I haven't gotten a good one out of it.
You should have charged them first.
Oh, there's a good one. Oh,
Stab the fuck out of it.
this one's got some power.
Yeah.
Fuck stabbing it. I'm welding these fucking power cables right together.
Oh my god, I just introduced myself to your girlfriend again. Like an idiot.
Come on, bitch.
What's going on, dude? Hey guys.
Hello.
How are ya? How's it going, dude? Going alright? I guess put on some Lipos? Yeah. I expected it to blow up almost.
Good old R lines, man. Best of the best.
Oh, my God.
Tattoo power. There we go. That is how you kill a battery. Right there. You gotta hold the positive and negative together. It's very dangerous.
You have your good quad.
That's how you make one pop. I got some stabby materials here.
Oh, I keep missing the best time.
Are they drained?
He loves it.
I hate it. So annoying.
Bad, eh?
Yeah.
It is so quiet. It's like a little ninja. The best.
I'm doing us all a favor. If you guys ever need male XT60s or barrel or balance leads, I got you. I save all this stuff.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like, I'm not being a complete idiot.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm burning up some lipos that I'm not gonna use anymore, but I save all this shit.
For sure.
Lithium polymer.
How open it is. This isn't gonna be.
What's that? Lysos of polymer. This is one of Richard's batteries.
Oh my god, look at
This is the one that was in the silo.
God, I
Ooh.
Yeah, I know, right?
Well, Richard, yours had the most power out of all of them.
I think. Yeah.
Dude, you can literally watch them grow.
Oh, it's dead.
Did you see it grow?
Yeah.
I was watching it grow. I got it on camera. Dude, the whole lithium polymer cell separated. That is the best.
I've never seen anything.
Look.
I thought it was in your hands still.
It was. It literally separated in my hands. Calm down, Reckless. Calm down. Let's pop another battery. Look at that. It was confetti.
I didn't know batteries had confetti inside. So
I know,
thank you
right?
for showing me the confetti. Holy fuck.
A little bit of reckless news for you today.
Right? Oh my god.
Battery's got
God,
confetti.
your face. I'm glad that wasn't like
Yeah, I
fucking
was scared
flame
it
or
blew up
anything
in your
fucking
face
weird.
or something. Okay, I'm gonna separate because I don't trust you.
I know, I got a really pretty face.
Scientist over there.
I got a really pretty face. I don't want to fuck it up.
Seriously. Burn your beard off.
Yeah, I
You've been growing that for a while, looks like. Don't do that.
Oh, did I freak you out on that last one?
You freaked out everyone for this.
Oh yeah, that one was a good one.
I'm sorry.
You have your charger on?
No one expected that. That was crazy.
I wasn't either.
No.
You don't breathe it in.